So if you want to make a very basic Braams sound, then the setup is rather simple. You can just use a sub-oscillator, 2 other oscillators, maybe give one of them a bit of width. I would cut some of the highs here, and then just go on and distort them to taste. Maybe add a compressor. You can also EQ them a bit, maybe get rid of some of the highs if you want a more distant sound. Kind of drench it in reverb. Very distant generic Braam, but modern Braams typically sound a lot more processed. That's why there's also very often a lot of more processing involved. So let's just duplicate this instance here, initialize this preset. And so we can activate the sub again, choose some kind of wavetable that I like. I want to, introduce some movement. Something like this maybe, where I can give it a very subtle movement here, also rather slow. And we can also use a second wavetable. Try this with bend. Again, subtle movement. Let's just give this some width. Reduce the detune though. Can do the same with this one. Send them both to the filter here. And then again start distorting and compressing them to taste. Bit of compression, maybe one more distortion, try sine shaper. Maybe some EQ, let's actually boost the lows a bit. And we can use that one to cut the lower mids. Just a tiny amount of compression. And then I would start post-processing this. And you don't have to use the same plugins, obviously, it's just what I typically use. Reducing the lower mids a bit, some more distortion. You can also add some more multiband compression. Then just stuff to boost the sound more. Orion works well for this. Maybe some more distortion. More multiband compression. The limiter at the end here. Something like disperser in between here. Gives it especially also a bit more punch at the beginning. And then just use any reverb you like. Just reduce everything here quite a bit. And also go back into Serum, make this mono. And once you have something like this that you like, you can also just duplicate this. And let's group this. Actually, let's draw in a MIDI note here. Let's just solo this for now, and here I just want to create a higher layer. Let's just play around with the pitches of those. Then we can also use filters here to get rid of the highs at this point, and also maybe, just use another filter and get rid of the lows as well. At the end of the chain, just cut the lows there. And you can also do some processing on the group. What you can also do is do some bends here. Let's just set this to 1 semitone in both. And then we can just draw in the pitch bend in the MIDI clip. For example, like this. Copy this clip down here. Depending on the processing here, you probably want to remove the reverb from at least this lower instance here. So, for example, drag it to the group rather than having it just on this one. And maybe only have an individual one on the higher layer to have a bit more control. So I hope this gives you a good starting point, and have fun experimenting. See you in the next one.